This video is going to address the error that we are getting with the fact that our food is not totaling up. And it's going to review what you should have looked at or learned in the budget class videos. And the whole issue is the fact that I haven't made my total food variable a static level variable. Remember that a static variable is a variable that is accessible by all instances of a class. And so I'm going to create a static double total food, and I'm going to have to change that in my animal.h. And if I go to animal.cpp, that's not going to change anything there, but I am going to have to initialize that value before we start running the code. In the budget class, I did that before main. In this example, I'm going to do it in my implementation file. So I'm going to call upon the animal class, and I'm going to initialize total food variable to 0. And so that variable will be created as soon as my first animal is created, or when animal.h is executed. And then when we run the code, if I stop execution here and we run the code again, we should see the total food totaling up for the entire day, and there it is. So now what it's doing is every time it calls upon food, it's using the variable that's accessible to all members of the classes that are created, and it's totaling them up as we go along. So every time I feed an animal, that total should increment.